Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to follow anyone or any page in Thread application. So let's begin our video. First of all, open your Threads application, and right now at the home page you can easily find a lot of pages. That's you can see there is nothing, there is Google Pixel. If I just click on plus icon beside profile name, at the first one nothing, and here have the option follow. I just easily follow them. So right now there have another option. If you just go again your home page, there have a search icon at the bottom. Select it, and in front you there have also some famous page that you can easily follow from here. So I just select follow. That's easily followed. Otherwise you can search the page name or person name from here, then you can easily follow them. So this is the way for follow any page or any person in Threads application. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.